In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and access HubSpot Sales for Outlook in Chrome using Microsoft App Source. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using Chrome is helpful here because it keeps the process simple and consistent, especially when you're moving between the App Source store and Outlook on the web. Once Chrome is open, go to the Microsoft App Store store. This is Microsoft's marketplace for add-ins and integrations that work with Microsoft products like Outlook. When the App Source page loads, use the search bar to look for HubSpot Sales for Outlook. Make sure you select the correct result so you're installing the official HubSpot add-in for Outlook. This add-in is commonly used to bring HubSpot tools directly into your email workflow, making it easier to work inside Outlook without constantly switching between platforms. After you found the listing, click Get It Now. At this point, Microsoft may ask you to sign in. Go ahead and log in using your Microsoft 365 credentials. Be sure to use the account that is connected to the Outlook inbox where you want the add-in to appear. If your organization manages Microsoft 365 Access, you may also see a permissions or confirmation screen. If that happens, simply follow the prompts to continue the installation. Once the add-in has been added successfully, the next step is to open Outlook web app in Chrome. This means you'll be using Outlook in your browser rather than the desktop app. If you're not already signed in, log in with the same Microsoft 365 account you used during the installation. Keeping the account consistent is important so the add-in appears in the right mailbox. Now open any incoming email in your inbox. Choosing an existing message is a quick way to confirm that the installation worked and to access the HubSpot tools from within Outlook. When you open the email, look around the message area for the HubSpot Sales for Outlook add-in. Depending on your Outlook layout, it may appear in the toolbar, under the Apps menu, or within the message options. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh or reopen the email. Browser-based add-ins can sometimes take a few seconds to load the first time. Once it appears, you'll know the setup is complete, and you're ready to start using HubSpot inside Outlook on the web. That's it. You've successfully installed HubSpot Sales for Outlook through Microsoft App Source and opened it in Outlook web app using Chrome.